Kublai pi baro kini longi Khubor bamda kasngi. Katnat social welfare Khlem penmi ye ka hukum ban Weng ye ka chairperson ka commission Tang na ki Hamsaia yotu uba pol lingdo menteri kate katnan. Na kaliong uba pol ula kentat ye ki jingkeno ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women's MSCW. Namar uyat kat kum ka kindon bat ka jing ujar. Kasorkar July kan sathung no menta ye kabriu kabamdan jingede haki kamsan perthei kum ka chairperson bathamai ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women MSCW haba pentip bakatnat social welfare kan sathau ye ka search committee banthung ye kane ka chairperson bathamai pensngo uba pol uyathu ba ula puli bnya ye ki file kadon ka kaipot bala batai shai baka chairperson namar baka bat ye ka kam kadai banya donang hadu sautli ki jingalang ka commission ki noting jeng ki files ki labatai da kumwei na lor baka donru ka jing ujor persha e ka chairperson baka yeshim benta ha ki jingalab election ngala puli ye ki kendon jeng ka woman commission ang ngala puli lut ye ki file noting bat ngatip ye ka ei ka bangale Henry ka longru ka bakongsan yang nga ban ong bakum ka briu ka blabam smai ka kerteng ublay ban tre kam Khlem ka jing shepting ni sha liang jing sngo it ni shun nga jiet ban tre ye ka badai ban ye ka ba paunam ulaong habakali uba apol ulaong kani ka longru shibenta jong ka jing tokit bat ladep ru ban ai shu cause sha ka chairperson ba ka yishim benta ha ki jing yalap election ngamdan AA ban grand persha e kabriu ring a grand ni ka kam na ka jingyu I bahaba phishong ha ka shuki phide bandon shibun kapor ban IT yaladi ha ka kam bala binshat bala da phidon liang ru bat ki sengsan perthei ka jingplet jingmut jingphiru kala ya phya no Habakdo baka kong pidalia toy chairperson basya Weng kadang don sa shisnem ban pendep ya kasamoy trikam uba pol ula ong kadai ka jingkhati ka basyong hong ngin sawat no ya ka chairperson bathamai ngan saya kren bat umentri rangba ka jela bat hadin kani ngin sarah ya kamat sya ka jingyalang jengka kinhun menteri ban batai ya ka ei ka bajya bat ru ban shim ya ka jing ai jingmut na kidukhat ka kinhun menteri ula penram
You see, I do not pass orders based on hearsay. I have gone through the file. There was a very elaborate report, and the chairperson is, by dint of her being in office, supposed to attend 4 consecutive meetings. And the notings on the file clearly suggested that that was not the case. Also, the fact that a complaint was lodged about her being involved with visual evidence in an election campaign. So it's very easy for people to make allegations against the government. When we don't act, the public say that why are you silent? When we act, we say they then ask why are you acting? When there's an alleged scam and we order an inquiry, we s- we was it was alleged that it was done with malafide intent, and I tell them to read the report. I don't know which page they have reached, but this report will be tabled on the floor of the state assembly. Also, they had every chance to depose before the commission. So the question of the government acting with fear or favor does not arise. I have studied the provisions of the Women Commission Act. I've gone through the notings on the file, and I know what I'm doing. But it is very important for me to say this, that as somebody who has taken oath in the name of God to act without fear or favor, affection or ill will, I would rather be right than be popular. If a father wants to be popular, he'll give donuts to his kids. If he wants to be right, he'll give them fruit, nutritious food. So I don't know, what would you choose to be, a popular father or a right example to your kids?
So, Bapal, what is the status of the chairperson of the Women Commission as of now?
We will now have a search committee. It has also been pointed out in the media several times that why do you only pick up people from the political fraternity? That was a point that has been largely endorsed by you. So now the mind of the government is that we appoint somebody who is non political, who can deliver, who understands issues of women. So those are the parameters. We will go by those parameters. That was also part of the investigation, and a show cause notice being issued that she was part of an election campaign. I have nothing to say against the individual per se, but I am addressing the issue from the point of view that when you occupy a very significant office, you should have a lot of time devoted to the work you are tasked with. And if you happen to be a political entity, your attention is then divided.
Is the commission denotified? What exactly is now happening?
See, at one stage, that the commission was denotified. Then there was the re-notification. Then it was again examined by law department, and now we're saying that we'll take a fresh look at the commission to ensure. See, the whole point is it has to deliver. It has to deliver. For it to deliver, you have to have the most competent persons as members, which is why the file came to me as minister. Once it went to the law department, then, if you recall, this was under in the interregnum between the last government and the constitution of the new assembly. So, with the new government having taken over, we took a fresh look at things. And how would I know that she had abstained from so many number of meetings if that was not pointed out on file? No, the cabinet will be informed. The cabinet will be informed, and the reasons will be cited, and then the constitution of a fresh body or the appointment of a new chairperson, these will be subsequently reviewed. But initially, what we intend to do is have a search committee so that we get the best possible person to serve as chairperson. There is no such thing. The We will accordingly go for searching for a new chairperson.